Okay, what lesson will start? Today we are going to learn alphabet H. Okay, H ஓட sound என்னமா? H. H. எப்படி கை வச்சுக்கோங்க? H. கனிஷ்கர் சொல்லுங்க. H. Yes, H. H. Okay, what are they in H? Let us see. Okay, H. H. Hippopotamus. Okay, what is this? Hippopotamus. Okay, it's a wild animal. Say louder. Hippopotamus. Very good, children. Then, what is this? Hut. Hut. Okay, va? Hut no cholala, house no cholala. Okay, va? This is house. Say H. House. H. Hut. Okay. Then what shape is this? H. Heart. Okay. Heart shape is this. H. Heart. Okay. Then H. Hen. Hen. What will give? Hen நமக்கு என்ன கொடுக்கும்? Hen என்னமா கொடுக்கும்? Eggs. Hen only gives us egg. Okay, fine. H. Horse. What is this? What is this? Horse. Okay, and the woman is riding on it. Okay, ஒரு lady இது மேல இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? Horse ride பண்றாங்க. சரியா? H. Horse. Okay. Adit, listen. Horse. Very good. Okay. Then, what is this? H. Helicopter. Okay. Kanishka, listen, ma. H. Helicopter. Jashwant, say helicopter. Very good. Okay. Now listen. H. What is this? You'll wear this, right? Mommy, daddy, la vandi la pogumbodhu enna pannuvaanga? They wear this, right? What is this? H. Helmet. Okay. Road safety நம்ம படிச்சோம்ல. Helmet போட்டுட்டா போணும். அப்படிங்களா யார் சொன்னா நமக்கு? கனிஷ்கர் பண்ணாங்கல ரோல் ப்ளே. Traffic police யார் பண்ணது? கனிஷ்கர் only did, right? So, what is this? H. Helmet. Say helmet. Okay, so I'll repeat. H. Hippopotamus. H. House. H. Heart. H. Horse. H. Hand. H. Helicopter. H. Helmet. Okay, understood, children? Yes? Thank you, guys.